Hey, Sunny here. Linksing, and I wanted to show you my mom doing her art right now. She's painting a bird right now that she drew. So let's go.
You like that background?
Yeah. What happened to his feathers on his head?
I had to do the background, so I just draw it, but I can draw it all back. What are you doing?
I'm taking a YouTube video.
Wow.
What are you gonna do with that other canvas over there?
And that's gonna be a bird too, but it's gonna be a different one. This guy inspired me, and he needed a big canvas because he has really big hair.
Yeah.
So.
I think a rooster would look good on that one.
I want to do a rooster.
Yeah, cause like
or
colorful.
Yeah.
I
like the roosters with the really long tail. Like
yeah,
black
the
and white
like
tails. Yeah, and orange.
Or like the Afro chickens with the like the
They're
fluffy.
funny.
Yeah. But I think it would be cool to do maybe a chicken and a rooster, or just a rooster. I think
Beautiful rooster.
Yeah, I like the colorful ones.
Mm-hmm.
The ones with like the red, green, and black tails, and then they're colorful brown and black, and green, red feathers. I like it. What color is that?
Black. Also known as Mars black in the painter's world. There's other blacks to paint with. Mars black is the blackest black that you can paint with. Like, it's what you would use for space.
Can you give these people some tips on how to paint? Like painting tips?
Not well in painting. I get really into it.
Yeah. So what my mom did, everyone, is she used yellow and white for the background to make the yellow kind of like bright, really bright. Because my mom likes to use bright colors in her paintings. But this bird is her fourth bird painting, and this time she's gonna use dark colors, but with like a bright background.
There's gonna be lots of contrasting colors.
Yes. Like, under the eye, when she moves her hand, you'll see like an opening under its beak, and she's gonna draw like right there. She's going to make it like a reddish orange. So it's kind of gonna like make the bird look elegant. Right, Mom? Yes. I wish you could teach me how to draw birds. I do terrible. I did good on the kingfisher. The kingfisher was my favorite one. Yeah, but I mean, like on like small birds are harder to make to me. Like more tough. That's all for today, guys. Thank you. Bye.